Bonjour, hello everyone, I'm Lindy, and today we're going to make a spinach mushroom crustless quiche. So to begin with, I'm going to take my pie plate and spray it with some cooking spray. And I have 4 eggs in this bowl, and so what I'm going to do is beat up these eggs. And add 3/4 cup of milk. It says 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, but I'm going to put a tablespoon of dried parsley in because that's what I had. And it says 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. So I have this minced garlic that's already prepared. I'm going to use that. But you can also put in your own fresh garlic. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just going to put in a small amount of salt because I don't like to salt things too much, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, but I'm going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. That's black ground pepper, and also an 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. And this will be the liquid preparation for this quiche. So in another bowl, I put some of this fresh spinach. It says use a 10-ounce bag of spinach. I got this spinach from my neighbor, so I'm just pretty much figuring out what 10 ounces is and putting it in my bowl, and I'm just tearing it as I put it in my bowl. And then it calls for 8-ounce package of mushrooms. But I put about 4 mushrooms in. That's kind of what I like to do. And it says a 1/2 yellow onion, but I put about a 1/4 cup. I don't like it with too much onion. So, and then it says Swiss cheese or feta cheese, but I'm going to put in 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. So I'm going to put about 4 ounces in this mixture, and I'm going to leave 4 ounces for the top. So I'm going to combine I'm going to put the spinach mixture in first in my pan. And then pour in the liquid mixture with egg and the milk and the nutmeg. And kind of even it out. So a few mushrooms on top. And then add the rest of the cheese on top. Alright, I'm going to put it in my 350-degree preheated oven for 45 minutes, and I'll see you when it's ready. Hello again. I took the quiche out of the oven, the spinach mushroom quiche, and I cooked it at a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. So the recipe had called for a crustless quiche for 30 minutes, but I ended up putting it in the oven, keeping it there for 45. And so I'm going to cut a slice for my dinner. And I'm going to garnish it with avocado and pair it with some white wine. So, a bientôt, au revoir, adios, and goodbye until next time. Be safe.